Fifth problem. Divide 32y square minus 8yz by 2y. We are going to divide this bracket by 2y. Okay. First we have to write in mathematical form. That means 32y square minus 8yz divided by 2y, or else we have to write whole divided by 2y. We can write anything there. Okay, which is equal to 32y square by this 2y minus 8yz divided by 2y. And then as usual we have to simplify this. So how to simplify? One time here, 16 times. Okay, so 16, and then y power 2, here y power 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So we can write this as y. And then put this minus, here 1, 4 times. So here y power 1 and here also y power 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, or else we can directly cancel this y and y. We can do anything here. Okay, so 1 minus 1 is 0 only. So no need to put any y terms. Y power 0. Y power 0 is 1 only. So no need to write anything there. So 4 is z. Z term is simply here. So put like this. So your answer is 16y minus 4 is z. Okay. Look at the second problem. We have to write in the division format. That means 4m square n cube divided by this 2mn plus this 16 m power 4 n square divided by 2mn minus mn by 2mn. Okay. So each and every term we have to simplify now. Which is equal to, here 1 time, here this is 2 times. So keep this 2 here. Here m power 2 and here this is m. So 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So simply we can write m. And then n cube, here n power 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So n square plus 8 times. So keep this 8 here. 4, m power 4 and m power 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So m power 3. Here n power 2, here n power 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So simply n. Then keep this minus as it is. And then here there is no number. Here 2. So 2 is in the denominator. That means that is 1 by 2. Isn't it? And then m power 1, here also m power 1. Or else we can cancel m and m like this. Or 1 minus 1 is 0. That means m power 0. M power 0 is 1. So no need to write this 1 here. And then n. Here, even here you can cancel n and n, or else 1 minus 1. N power 0. So n power 0 is also 1. So no need to write here. Simply we can keep the answer like this. 5xy square minus 18x square y cube plus 6xy by 6xy. We are going to divide each and every term by 6xy. Okay. So write this as 5xy square by this 6xy minus 18x square y cube by 6xy plus 6xy by 6xy. We are dividing each and every term by this 6xy. Okay. So we can, if possible, we can simplify this coefficients. Okay. If not possible, keep as it is. So we can write like this, 5 by 6 as it is. Here x is here. Here also x. We can cancel this x and x like this. Or else 1 minus 1 is 0. X power 0. That is nothing but 1. So no need to write the x term here. And y square, here this is y. It's 2 minus 1. That is 1. So simply we have to write y. Minus. Here we can cancel this and this 3 times. And then x square and x here. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Y cube, here this is y power 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then here we can cancel 6 and 6. Likewise x and x. Likewise y and y. So we have everything is cancelled. So we have to keep 1. No, you should not put 0 here. Because we are cancelling that 1 by 1 is 1 only. So keep 1 here. Okay. So one more thing. See here. We should not cancel from here to here. Because in between we have the plus symbol. And here we have the minus symbol. Here in this particular term. This is the third term. This is the second term. And this is the first term. In this first term itself we have to simplify everything. And here itself we have to simplify everything there. Okay. So your required answer is 5 by 6y minus 3xy square plus 1. And then look at the next problem. 81 into this bracket by 3pq or the whole square. The whole square is nothing but the square is for this 3 and this p, q or everything separately. Okay. The first thing I want to write the separate terms here. So 81 into this one, 81 into this one, 81 into this term. So here first we have to multiply that. So simply put multiply like this. 81 p power 4 q square r cube. And then divided by this 3pq r the whole square. Plus here 81 into 2. That is 162 pq qq r square divided by this 3pq r the whole square plus and here minus symbol is there, so plus into minus minus 81 into 5 1 5 is 5 40 405 p square q square r divided by this 3pq r the whole square. Okay. And then here whole square we have to expand this also. Then only you have to, here we have to expand the denominator. So write the numerator as it is 81 p power 4 q square r power 3 divided by 9 p square q square r square. Likewise even here also write as it is 162 p cube q cube r divided by here 9 p square q square r square minus 405 p square q square r divided by even here also 9 p square q square r square. Okay. And then we can reduce this thing. Here this is 9 times. So put 9 here. Here p power 4, p power 2. 4 minus 2. This is p power 2. And q square will be get cancelled there. And then r cube, here r square. 3 minus 2 is 1. So r power 1. No need to put 1 here. Keep as it is. And then plus here can cancel by this 9 here. This is 40. 3 times here. 5 3s are 15. 4 times. Again we can cancel this 1 8 18. So you can write 18 here p cube and p square. 3 minus 2 is 1. So put p here. Then q cube, here q square. 3 minus 2 is 1. So q. Here we have r square, isn't it? So r square. So r square and r square will get cancelled. So simply we can write 18pq. That's all. And then here by this 3 times, 1 time, 3, 5. Again by 3, 4 times 5, 45. Minus 45 and then p square and p square will get cancelled. Q square and q square, r, even here also we have r only, no? So here r square will be there. This r square is also cancelled here. So we have simply 9 p square r plus 18 r square. Okay, so r square and r square will get cancelled. So simply we have 45 only. In the problem here we have r square, there is no r. So that r square will get cancelled here. So we have, our answer is 9p square r plus 18pq minus 45. Okay.